Hey everyone, in this video I will show you what maintenance items are included in Mercedes-Benz A-Service. You don't need to follow the order, but all items will need to be completed. First item is the engine oil and oil filter change. In this video I'll show you how to change oil in C300 as an example. Next item is all fluid level checks, which includes brake fluid, engine coolant, and windshield fluid. Detailed video how to check and add fluids are in the description as well. Item 3 include tire pressure check. You can find recommended tire pressure for your vehicle as follows. For item 4, you have to visually inspect your brakes, brake pads, rotor, caliper, and brake lines for leaks. If you need to change brake pads or rotors, I have linked to videos in description. And the last item, once everything has been completed, is reset maintenance service counter. To start, make sure the engine hood, doors, and trunk are closed. Turn transmitter key in the electronic ignition lock control unit to position 1 by pressing start-stop button quickly once. Make sure you have a trip menu item in multifunctional display selected. Press and hold down the phone button on steering wheel and then within 1 second press OK button and hold both for approximately 5 seconds. Using arrow buttons, scroll to Assist Plus and press OK button. Switch on ignition to activate Assist Plus. Select Full Service and press OK. Scroll to Confirm Service and press OK button. And then press Yes. Select Confirm and press OK. That is all what you have to do to reset the service indicator. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers!